Okay, guys, we are here in the nature, in the mountains, in the forest, with my friend Julie, with my friend Delphine. Okay, all weeks we are going to do different challenge, and the first one is very easy. We are in a big river with water, oh yeah, water, and we have to cross the river. Don't care, it's the first challenge, and we will try no fall in the river. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, no worry, you have to continue. The first fall is normal. You up and continue, okay? No nervous. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! I will get it! I am the best! It's your turn, your choice!